Hello everybody, welcome to our fabulous new launch here at Highlight Crafts. So we've got a little bit of something different for you. So here we have in the studio. Now, it's in the studio with a little bit of enchantment. So I want to introduce you to the land of enchantment. Oh, wow. Look, so here is our adorable Rune. Doesn't he? And isn't he absolutely his name? So here we have Rune. Okay, so you're going to get your two cuts. So he comes with a matte layer as well. But look at his artwork. Isn't he just beautiful? So he's like in a peapodish kind of thing. So his wings are folded in out the way so he doesn't get them trampled. So here we are. It's a little bit at the back. So he's all wrapped up and tucked in. So that's Rune. The second one I'm introducing you to do is Reed and Luna. So again, aren't they adorable? Beautiful little couple. I think these could be, I know nowadays, and I think I've said it previously in another launch that we've just recently had, that there are a lot of weddings that are like forests and things like that, aren't there? So this would be a beautiful wedding card, you know, happy couple, engagement, etc. Aren't they adorable? And again, because of the snippability with all of this, as always here at Highlight Crafts with our die sets, we give you the opportunity to create your own decoupage, which is phenomenal. So that's Reed and Luna. Again, two dies, matte layer in the artwork. And I've just popped in one of the little mushrooms here to give a little bit of perspective. They sat out in the garden, maybe a new home card on one of the mushrooms, looking back at their lovely new house. So then, let's say, let's stay home. And why wouldn't you? If you lived in a mushroom like this, you'd absolutely want to stop at home. But you're getting a lot here. So if I just move that to one side, you're going to get your nested, because they are nested. Let me show you the imagery. They do nest. In addition to that, you're also getting the vines. You're getting the 3 different sizes of the actual growing patch mushrooms, which sit perfectly back on here. So you've got them at this side and also sit at this side. This all grows around your little trees, and you've also got those little shrooms that you can pop on the roofs as well. So that's Let's Stay Home. An enchanted door. You know, that's the artwork again for this. You just want to open that door, don't you? And you know when you open that door, there's going to be a beautiful staircase and like little acorn seats and a fireplace and a comfy chair. You can imagine what the artwork looks like behind that door. And again, it's nested. So you don't just get the one, you get 5 doors on this one. Again, beautiful. Cut into them, snip into here and open it up. So the top piece is like a stable door. Then we have curled fern. And again, look at how much you can actually use this. So don't just have it just curled in a bunch and to one side. Allow it to grow exactly like you would fine fern. And again, it's super curly because that's exactly how it grows. And then it opens up. So again, 3 different sizes. And we like to do this, that you've got the 3 different sizes, because it gives you that different in perspective. So you get your little one, you get your medium one and your large one. And again, different directions, which also adds value to be able to enhance your creativity. Then we've got our charming bluebells, and they are charming. You know, I'd like to think in this enchanted forest, we're on the forest floor, we're really down low. These characters are only this big, tiny little people, okay? We can't see them. Our dogs often sniff around and can find them, but they're not visible to our eye. So the bluebell here might actually be a bell. Perhaps they hear them ringing. We can't, because we're not down there on the forest floor. But just imagine that they can actually hear them ringing. This is welcome to my world. This is what happens in my head. So all these little lovely bluebells. And again, you get the matte layer for the biggest one, and you get different sizes. So then building up the new ones, the medium and the larger ones. Adding to your creativity. This has got to be one of my favourite dies within the collection because it's, again, with anything that we do here at Highlight Crafts, we've got kind of a formula. We give you the characters, as always, that's the standard, but we're giving you those grounded elements. being able to bring in our lovely rune and stand him in there is just wonderful. And again, we always say it's really difficult to make for the tweenies and the gentlemen in our lives. This would be wonderful, especially if you've got a gardener. Or maybe, like I've got in my family, somebody that writes stories. He'd love this. So this was I'm Stumped. So again, you get 2 different dies. You get your matte layer and the artwork again. Fill your boots with being able to decoupage this because it is adorable. And also, maybe you've got something where you need a little bit of something each side. Don't ever be afraid. Cut straight down the middle and tuck that in. So don't cut 2 of them and waste all of it. Snip it straight down the middle and have it tucked in. Then these are the dies. So look at all this that you're getting. There's a lot going on here. However, I just want to introduce you to some of the samples, okay? And I've done the class for this, so I will show you what we've done with the class. But it's always a dead giveaway when our design team have just had too much fun. Look, oh my goodness. So our lovely Lou Patton's done this for us. Isn't that just fabulous? So the backing papers on all of these are from the MCS download as well. So you'll be able to have the imagery in the background. So we've given you those scenes. So look, oh my word. There we go. Again, very similar to one I did, looking out over the vista and to the actual sunset. Here we have, oh, let me have a look. Who's done this one? Lou again. Used drops. Made that door shiny, so we've got a little piece of glass in there. There's our rune. We've got lots of houses, so this has got lots of levels to this house. Hello, using a little bit of Hessian on all of those curly ferns. This one again is also beautiful. This is lovely Kath. So just unhook that. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Just stunning. So again, lots of definition with all of these. So little sneaky peek for you, really. I just want to introduce you to Juniper. Now, she is our web exclusive, and how just incredibly beautiful is she? Okay, so again, 2 dies, matte layer and a top layer. Now, I'm going to pop her to one side because isn't she just wonderful? Now, these are the class. I've just filmed these for you. So we've got a little bit of a concertina going on here, but how fabulous to finish all of this off, to sneak Juniper in amongst that. Or the other one that we've done, and again, does fold flat, okay, is this one. And I've got 2 pieces, again, that stand up like this, okay, and we can just sneak Juniper in maybe here at this side. So doesn't she just finish off the collection beautifully? So she is our web exclusive. So I'm going to pop Juniper to one side. These are the 2 classes. So once you actually get your collection home, you can log on and have a look at the classes. I just want to share with you a couple more samples. So here's one just to finish off with the actual collection, but again, adding in Juniper. She could be just tucked in like so. But then let me show you what the design team have done with her, because they've made a phenomenal job. Here we have the beautiful Juniper, just fantastic. And another one. So let me see, because I like to give them a shout out. That's our lovely Lou. Again, just a small stepper card. Again, our lovely Lou. But doesn't it work to give you that definition and perspective? And then another one. Oh, I like this. So that is our lovely Kath. So we've used the little foliage and the little house as the stopper. Just look at that. Oh, let me have a look. Oh, we've got one from Sheena. So even though Sheena hasn't had the colourways, she's had the other cards. She's even gone in and made her own little mushrooms, and she's coloured the skirts different colours. So we've got all those lovely fairies. Look how big those mushrooms are. So if we know the mushrooms are only this big, just think how big those lovely little characters are. So that is all of our enchanted collection. So we've got, as you've just seen, you've seen the mushroom, you've seen us work with the mushroom, and you've just seen that lovely maple leaf one. So let me bring in the final two for the collection. Look at these. So these are our Craft Master dies that we've done to add with this collection. We've got our mushroom and we've got our nested maple leaf. But just look how many you're actually getting with this. So again, colour these in yourself, use your backing papers. Maybe you've already got artwork that you can pull from what you've already got. Look how many you're getting. Even down to these teeny weeny ones. So maybe you want to do a tree and pull off the leaves throughout the year. And then again with the mushrooms, lots and lots of different sizes going all the way through. Just look how much metal you're actually getting with this collection. So you're going to get all of that, or all of that is available for you to be able to create all of these just stunning cards that you've seen me show you. So thank you very much for coming along to Highlight Crafts, looking at our fabulous new launch. So this is the one that's in the studio, and remember to give us a thumbs up, like, click that bell, and it's the one that's coloured in solid. Then you'll get all of our notifications and you'll never miss anything that's coming your way. So again, you all take care, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye.
If you would like to see more from Highlight Crafts, make sure you click the like button. Subscribe by clicking the subscribe button below, and click the bell icon to receive notifications on all our future content. You can also click here to see our latest video, or click here to see more videos like this one.